What if I told you your JDM legend is just a BMW in disguise? Yeah, I'm talking about the GR Supra. And this isn't the only scandal. Car brands are playing musical chairs with engines, platforms, and even CEOs. Today we're exposing why companies like Toyota, Ford, and Honda are teaming up with rivals, and why you should care. The GR Supra controversy. Let's start with the elephant in the room, the GR Supra's BMW engine. Purists lost their minds when they found out it shared parts with the ZD4. But here's the twist. Toyota didn't do this because they're lazy. They did it to survive. The real reason, developing a new sports car from scratch costs billions. Meanwhile, BMW had a killer inline-six engine and a convertible platform collecting dust. So Toyota said, let's split the bill. The result, a 382 HP beast that's 30% cheaper to produce. Win-win. EM fans called it heresy. YouTubers made Supra vs Z4 videos for clout. But guess what? Sales doubled. Because deep down, we all want German engineering with Japanese reliability. Still mad. Wait till you hear about Ford and Volkswagen. In 2019, Ford and VW shook hands on a $7 billion deal. Their joint project. The Ford Explorer EV is built on VW's MB platform, and the VW Amarok pickup using Ford's Ranger chassis. Why? Because Europe's emissions laws were choking Ford. And VW needed cash to fund its EV dreams. And guess what? Pre-orders hit 20,000 in 3 months. Mazda and Fiat, the roadster romance. Meanwhile, in 2012, Mazda had the MX-5, the world's best-selling roadster. Fiat had, well, a 50-year-old design for the 124 Spider. So, they swapped blueprints. Mazda handled the chassis, Fiat added a turbocharged engine, and Italian flair. The result? The Fiat 124 Spider. A car so pretty, even MX-5 fans admitted it looked good. Sales jumped 40% in Europe. Proof that opposites attract if money's involved. In 2008, Toyota and Subaru teamed up to save the dying sports car. Their project, the Toyota 86 called GT86 in Europe, and Subaru BRZ twins. Subaru developed the FA20 2.0L flat-4 engine 200 HP, while Toyota designed the lightweight chassis and sharp steering geometry. Why? Sales of affordable coupes had crashed 60% since 2000. The result? A $28,000 RWD coupe that reignited the tuner scene. Nissan and Renault. The worst stuck together, marriage. This partnership is messier than a TikTok breakup. Case in point, the Nissan Qashqai, a European bestseller, uses Renault's 1.3L turbo engine, while the Renault Arcana SUV borrows Nissan's e-Power hybrid system. Nissan uses Renault's engines, Renault owns 43% of Nissan, and both hate each other. But they're stuck because money. The dark truth, carmakers aren't betraying their fans. They're avoiding bankruptcy. Developing a new engine costs $1 or $2 billion. Sharing parts, just $200 million. Your childhood dream car isn't dead. It's just wearing someone else's clothes. The influence of social media. Gen Z doesn't care if their Supra has a BMW engine. They care about horsepower, looks, and Instagram likes. And brands know it. Final question. Was Toyota right to use BMW parts? Smash like if you'd take a hybrid Supra over no Supra. Comment heresy if you'd rather walk. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for riding with us. Until next time, drive fast, but dream faster.